So welcome back to the video. So today we have Nexon diesel automatic with us. This car is provided by Bella Tata, Sarjapur Road. The details for the test drive and all the inquiries I will share in the description. You can contact Bella Tata showroom. Talking about the steering, it's light. So when compared to the previous version, the drive feels similar. The suspension, everything is really good as it was there in the previous Nexon. And the AMT also has improved, I feel, because in the previous Nexon we could feel a slight jerkiness while driving, but with this latest one I think somewhat jerkiness is fixed. But you still have that AMT slow response, but it's better than the previous one. So this is a top end variant, right?
Top end dark edition.
Dark edition. Yes. So on road, how much it will come?
On road, it's start from diesel version.
So maybe after the GST update.
After the GST update pricing, I will share.
Yeah, sure. Okay, the list also I will share it in the video. Yes. The complete list. Or if you have any query, you can contact the showroom. I will share the contact.
Diesel start from AMT. One moment. There is a
How much?
Yeah. It start from on road 13,28,000.
On road, right?
On road, including the extra road tax, insurance.
Okay,
yes.
And it goes up to?
It goes up to 17,63,000 on road AMT.
AMT diesel.
AMT diesel.
Okay, and for petrol, AMT, petrol it comes with DC, right?
It's comes with the petrol, DC and AMT.
AMT is also there.
Yeah, AMT also is there.
Okay, so for DCA, how much it is on road for petrol?
On road, it's DCA start from 10 lakh, 14 lakh 5,000.
Oh, starting.
Okay. Starting.
Okay.
DCA. It's a creative version DCA. Without sunroof, it start from variant. It's DCA variant only.
Mm-hmm.
And it is there in the AMT. Its creative version start from 13 lakh 48 AMT. And start from Smart Plus AMT. The on-road should be 10 lakh 72.
Okay, that's 1.2 liter petrol.
1.2 liter.
And this is a 1.5 liter which produces around 115,
No.
116 PS of power, right?
Yes.
And 260 Nm, I think, of torque.
260 Nm
torque, yeah. So same as the previous Nexon. Engine wise there is no difference, but I could feel it's a little refined when compared to the previous one.
And it comes with the 360 surround view cameras and 6 airbags, wireless charging.
Okay.
Pedal shifts. They're newly updated.
So you can see you have this blind view monitor
blind
also.
View monitor also.
Yeah. The response is quite good, but that jerkiness you can feel, but it's the nature of AMT, so you cannot avoid that. So we'll go straight or U-turn?
Yeah.
Here?
If you go after, more traffic here.
So you know what will be the claimed mileage for this one?
See, bumper to bumper traffic, it is given 14 to 15
for AMT, yeah?
for AMT.
Okay.
With AC. In highway, it's going to be 17, 18
Mm-hmm.
in highway.
So, but I think in highway, if you drive very softly, then I think you can get around 20, right? For
If you're
diesel.
above 50 speed.
Yeah, 50 to 70, I think.
50 to 70 you can get it 18, 19 with AC.
Uh-huh.
Around 20 we can reach.
Okay. Nexon diesel. Okay. Diesel manual I have driven. So that actually provides a little more.
Yes, in manual and AMT there is a lot of different for
Yeah.
the driving.
Maybe we'll try sports mode.
Yeah, you can.
Sport drive mode activated.
Yeah, we can definitely feel the difference.
Yes.
I mean, the shifts also become a little better. The ride in Nexon is always better. So even in this version also, you can feel the ride quality is actually good. You can feel a bit what is there under, but it's not that uncomfortable. So I think last month Nexon was the highest selling car in India, I think, after the GST update, right? Well, I think around more than 20,000 or something
Yes,
is
more
sold.
than 20,000 is sold.
So I think with when Sierra is coming, maybe this it will take the market.
No, it's Sierra is a different.
Yeah, it comes in the next segment, right? Yeah.
Okay.
It comes above 4 meters, so
Yes.
this is a sub 4 meter. But the starting price of Sierra looks very promising.
11.5.
Yeah. You can hear the engine. Actually, since it's a diesel, you can hear that grunt inside. But the insulation is pretty good. The road noise, I mean, you cannot hear the road noise much. So only the engine you can hear. So for Nexon, is there any waiting period or
Sir. 45 days.
45 days? Okay. For all the models or?
For all the models, if it is there in the stock, so
Mhm.
you can deliver as soon as possible
Okay.
within 10 days, based on the processing how the loan process or full cash. If it is
Mhm.
there full cash, we can deliver as soon as possible within 3 working days, 4
Okay.
working days.
Okay.
If it is none of the stock, so we have to order, we have to place the order, so, and we get it done. So it will take hardly 3 to 4 weeks or 5 weeks. It will take
Okay.
based on the variants, color.
So which is the starting variant called?
Smart.
Smart.
Yeah.
And then it goes to dark edition.
Fearless.
Fearless, then dark edition.
Yes.
the initial torque, you can actually feel it. It's really good. Yeah, I will take it there. No, here I will.
City drive mode activated.
So city, eco and normal.
Yes.
Sorry, city, eco and sport.
Sports.
So this is actually the normal mode, right?
Yes.
City mode.
Economy drive mode activated.
Yeah, with economy you can feel the response is very slow. So if you want to get some mileage, I think you can use the economy ride mode. But I think usually people will be preferring city
Sport
mode.
drive mode activated. City drive mode activated.
Is there an option to switch off the sound?
No.
No. Okay. They should have provided that. So this was a short drive video of Nexon diesel automatic. So hope you guys enjoyed. So please do subscribe to my channel. So if you want any info regarding this car, then you can contact the showroom. So this is Bella Tata. You can contact the showroom. It is in Sarjapur Road. And thank you all. Thank you so much for watching.